Once there was a woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children and she knew what to do.
Mom is getting Lion Mommy Noodles! Yummy!
Love it, Mom?
Introducing 3D Mr. Phone. It has a cordless, portable handset and a speakerphone base unit. Hello? With state-of-the-art features for modern communications conveniences. So you don't have to run to answer your phone. Simply pick it up with 3D Mr. Phone. 3D for quality you can trust.
With Jennifer Sevilla, Lester Samonte, Ruben Ruscha, and Odette Khan in a bittersweet episode of Young Love, Sweet Love. Young Love, Sweet Love. Here on New Version 9, tomorrow night at 7. New Version 9 joins the whole country in helping the victims of the killer earthquake with Rescue 9, a series of concerts by the country's top entertainers. Proceeds from these specials will all be donated to the earthquake victims. Tux 8 the CCP tonight at 11:30. Regine 1990, July 25 at 11 p.m. Sharon Cuneta in the Sharon Cuneta 1988 U.S. Tour, July 26 at 11:30 p.m. Martin Rivera's Airborne, July 27 at 10:30 p.m. Gary Valenciano's Heart and Soul, July 28 at 11:30 p.m. OPM Awit a la carte, July 29 at 11:30 p.m. And on July 30, all the participating artists of these specials will come together for a grand concert for the benefit of our unfortunate brothers and sisters caught up in the tragic calamity. Rescue 9, our way of lending a helping hand to our fellow Filipinos in the face of tragedy. With this come our prayers for hope, and that we may all be united to help our country back on its feet again.
Getting ready. Oh boy, what a day it's gonna be. Got to feel, to get going. I need the energy, Olympic energy. I need my mama today. Just what I need to last the day. Oh, mama a day. Yes, mama a
From the purest mineral oil to every part of you. Sa mata ng isang bata, ang isang pagkakamali ay nagiging tama kapag ito ay ginagawa ng mas matanda. Isang paalaala mula sa Nestle Philippines.
Heel to toe, it's Johnson's baby oil. They care for everyone. It's always been the only one.
From the purest boost mineral oil to every part of you.
There is only one Johnson baby oil.
Maggie Sabor. Add some salt, vinegar, add Maggie Sabor. Great for marinating. Maggie Sabor. Chop some leeks, ginger, add Maggie Sabor. Great for cooking. Maggie Sabor. Put some boiled veggies, add Maggie Sabor. Great for seasoning. Maggie Sabor. Serve the food, add Maggie Sabor. Great for dipping.
Great tasting meals from start to finish.
Maggie Sabor.
Little one, you can't wait to grow. Can't wait to grow. Can't wait to be on your own. So little one, drink up your milk made full cream milk. Keep it going. Now you're growing. Grow up, grow fast. Drink up your milk made full cream milk.
Bob, ito, bago ang ingredients.
Ito bagong size.
Pero ito lang ang accepted ng Philippine Association of Medical Technologists. Hindi pa nagbabago ang batayan. Visa laban sa germs. Gen effective ang Safeguard. Sa US lab test, daig ng Safeguard anumang leading soap. It removes more than 90% of germs that can infect pimples and wounds or cause body odor. Di ba dapat yung accepted ng experts ang tanggapin nyo? Safeguard.
Sa paghahandog ng New Vision 9 at ng National Livelihood Support Fund, narito ang isang kakaibang true to life drama. Tanglaw ng buhay. Tanglaw ng buhay. Mga tunay na kasaysayan ng mga nagtagumpay at umahon sa kahirapan. Mga buhay na guminhawa dahil sa tulong ng iba at dahil sa kasipagan at pagpupunyagi nila. Tanglaw ng buhay. Baka ito na ang ikagaganda ng inyong kinabukasan. Panoorin ang kakaibang drama series na ito alas 2 ng hapon tuwing linggo dito sa New Vision 9. Tanglaw ng buhay. Ang susunod na success story ay maaaring yung sa inyo.
You know something cooking with Carnation Evap? I've always known its delicious creamy taste. Carnation Evap makes meals nutritious too. Me, I discovered it years ago. I still like it now. For creamier soups and sauces, more delicious main meals, more appetizing snacks and desserts. Carnation Evap, the only milk I've trusted ever since. For me, it's the best. Enjoy it.
Coronation of that. Look at drink milk.
Ding!
Andiyan na!
Ba't di pa kayo umuwi?
Nawala si Bulak eh.
Ha?
Kung saan-saan kasi nagsusuot eh.
Ako? Nasugatan ka?
Hindi, si Bulak, naipit ang paa. Matutumihan ka.
Di bale. Matugutong kalaban? Buti may kakampi ako.
Tanging Mr. Clean ang baretang may Solorox. Tingnan, kung walang Solorox, hanggang dito ang linis. Sa Solorox, tanggal ang makakapit na damit mantsa.
Ang linis.
At may bango pang kapansin-pansin. Okay ah.
O baka mawala si Bulak.
Mawala ng lahat. Huwag lang ikaw. Mr. Clean Blue plus Solorox. Linis detergent na linis Solorox pa. Maximum impact. I'm coming peace. Maximum firepower. I'm coming peace. Maximum action. It's like turning your radio dial to KILL. They don't come any bigger than this. Stop it. I'm coming peace. Dolph Lundgren. And you go in peace. Dark Angel. Ngayong Miyerkules sa Body and Soul.
Hindi ako pwede matulog ng bukas ng ilaw. Ipikit mo mata mo. Hindi ako matutulog. Eh, paano rin ako makakatulog? Sino naman? Yan, pinsan kong si Kuting. Kabanaloa.
Eh, paano magbibiglaan? Namatay si Jennifer.
Sino si Jennifer?
Eh, yung kalabaw.
Body and Soul. Here on New Vision 9. Tomorrow night at 9.